Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use our new GUI tool, which is the Rudder Design Tool. So we're going to the toolbar here, the tools, and then go to the Pythonscript and pick one. Then I'm going to choose my file. Here is going to ask me for the length of the ship. So the length of my ship is going to be on 120 meters. So it's going to be 120 and 3 zeros because of it has to be in millimeters. And the breadth is going to be 21.6. And the draft is going to be 7.9 meters, which is 7,900. And my block coefficient is going to be 0.7. So he's going to ask me, is it working directly behind a propeller? I'm going to choose yes, it is going to be working directly behind the propeller. I'm going to hit yes. And then he's going to ask me if I want to input the height of the rudder myself or to input the propeller diameter, or I can also pick just depends on the old rudder designs. So I'm going to hit OK. Let's go here. So that's going to be my rudder design. And there is a layer, which when I go to select objects, so that's my rudder. Okay, so what if I want to put the height? I want to input the height. First, all of the rudder designs depends on the area, and the area depends on the DNV GL rules. So I'm going to tools again and pick the rudder. Let's input okay, I'm going to set yes, and it's going to be the height of the rudder depends on the rudder, the propeller diameter. I'm going to hit OK. So the diameter of the propeller here is going to be 5 meters, right? Then I'm going to hit OK. So that's my rudder design. That the width of the rudder is going to be 3.4 meters. The height of the rudder is going to be 5 meters, and the area of the rudder is going to be this number. Okay, and I can just hide the ISO curves from here. So that's all about our rudder design tool. I hope you like it.